In 2025, the world reacted with surprise when the US expressed interest in buying Greenland. But this wasn't a joke or a new idea. The United States had already tried to purchase Greenland in 1867 and again in 1946, offering Denmark $100 million. What if Denmark accepted? How would history, and the world, change if America owned Greenland? By securing Greenland, the US would gain not just land, but a strategic Arctic gateway. In the late 1940s, as tensions with the Soviet Union escalated, Greenland becomes America's northern shield. Massive military bases, airfields, and radar systems cover the island. The famous Thule Air Base expands into a central hub for Arctic defense, monitoring Soviet bombers and missiles crossing the polar route. With American investment, Greenland's icy frontiers transform. Roads, ports, and towns emerge along the coastlines. The island's population, once small and isolated, grows rapidly as American settlers, military personnel, and workers arrive. English becomes widely spoken alongside Greenlandic, and the island develops a unique identity, half Arctic outpost, half American frontier. The discovery and exploitation of vast natural resources change Greenland's role. Rich deposits of rare earth minerals, oil, and gas fuel American industries. By the 1970s, Greenland supplies critical materials for technology, energy, and defense sectors. The island becomes known as America's Arctic treasure. As climate change accelerates, Greenland's importance skyrockets. Melting ice opens the Northwest Passage, a new trade route connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The US, controlling this passage, dominates Arctic shipping lanes. Global trade patterns shift, forcing countries to negotiate with Washington for access. Geopolitically, America's presence in Greenland deters Soviet and later Russian ambitions in the Arctic. The island hosts advanced missile defense systems, surveillance networks, and submarine bases, turning it into a key pillar of NATO's northern defense. In the 21st century, Greenland thrives as both a military stronghold and an economic hub. American companies invest in renewable energy, using Greenland's powerful glaciers and winds to generate electricity. Scientific research centers study climate patterns, space activity, and Arctic ecosystems, positioning Greenland at the forefront of environmental science. Culturally, Greenland blends Inuit traditions with American influence. Cities like Nuuk evolve into modern Arctic capitals, hosting universities, tech startups, and tourism industries focused on the island's stunning landscapes and unique wildlife. By today, an American Greenland would represent far more than frozen land. It would be a symbol of strategic vision, providing the US with unmatched control over Arctic resources, defense, and global trade routes. The balance of power in the North would decisively favor Washington, shaping international politics, economics, and security for decades. Subscribe for more alternate history insights on What If History. For more fascinating scenarios, check out What If? Book of Alternative History, a must-read for every fan of alternate timelines. The link to the book is in the description.